Next, our topic is how to export data tally to Excel. It is possible to exporting data tally to Excel every report like balance sheet, profit and losses account, sales register, purchase register, all book of accounts. It is possible to exporting tally to Excel format, tally to PDF format. So in interviews also it is they are asking how to export 1 month sales report tally to Excel, like that they are asking. Every report it is possible to exporting. How to do? Suppose now I want to export a balance sheet. You can open it. Balance sheet I opened. In a title bar, export button it is showing Alt E. Export means Alt E. Export shortcut ki Alt E. Sorry, Control E. Export shortcut ki Control E. Control E you can press it. Current you can select it. Now you want to export Excel format. See here, it is showing file format. Format of report condensed. File format Excel spreadsheet. Export to local drive. Folder path also we are having. File name balance sheet. Do you want to do any configuration? It is possible to change it. You can click configure. So now which one do you want to change? See, file format, enter. See, which format do you want? Excel or HTML, PDF? Which one do you want? You want to select it. I am selecting Excel format. Next to folder path. Give enter. You want to save this balance sheet in which? You want to save a balance sheet in which drive it is asking? C: program files tally frame. By default path it is showing. This file I want to save now. C drive program files tally frame. Suppose do you want to save in any other drive also? See here it is possible to select from drive. We can select it. In your computer, how many drives it is showing? It is how many drives do you have? It is showing. Now which drive do you want to save? We can select it. On that drive, in which folder do you want to save? You can select it. Which folder do you want to save? We can select it. Now here, C drive program files. On that which folder do you want to save? We can select it. Enter one now. See, this like it is possible to changing a folder path. Otherwise, manually it is possible to typing. Specify the path. Manually you can do it now. Now I am by default one I am taking. Control A I am pressing. You can press Control A. Now I am exporting this one Excel format. Send, you can click it. Send. See, automatically it is exported to Excel format. See, it is exported. Excel sheet it is showing for us. See, so this our company name also it is showing. Balance sheet, liabilities, assets clearly it is showing. No? So clearly it is showing. So if you want to make any changes, you can make it like this. If you want to make any arrangements, it is possible to do. You can save this one. So like this, every report it is possible to exporting. Now I am closing this Excel sheet first of all. So now again we will see any another report. Suppose I want to send this one to PDF format. Now again you can press that. What is the shortcut key for export? Alt E, Control E. Control E I am pressing. Now I want to configure that file format. I want to change PDF. Configure, you can click it. Now this file format I want to configure. Enter. Now PDF format I am selecting. PDF format, folder path by default I am having. Enter. You can save it. Control A. See, send, you can click it. Enter, you can press it. See, automatically that folder that PDF format it is showing. So every report like this automatically it is converting tally to Excel format to tally to PDF format. See how clearly it is showing PDF format. So every report it is possible to exporting like this. Next to so 1 month I want to export 1 month sales register. Sales and purchase registers, how to export to tally to Excel. Tally to Excel format. First, you can open it. 1 month sales and purchase registers. How to export to Tally to Excel. Display more reports. You can select it account books. Here you can select it sales register. Which month do you want? You can select it. See, this month do you want? This month what do you want? I am selected month. Now in a button bar, columnar form it is showing. You can click it columnar form. Here some columns it is showing. Which columns it want to be shown under Excel? That columns it is possible to enabling and disabling. Party address no need to change. Next, see show voucher type S, show voucher number S, show voucher reference number no. So show parties GSTN, show parties tax registration number. So this like some columns it is asking. Which one do you require to show? You can set yes, otherwise not required. By defaultly we are having some S. Enter ma. All items automatic column, so accept it. Say like this it is showing file. Now we can press export ma in a title bar. Control E you can press it current ma. See PDF if you want to PDF. No, I want to Excel format configure ma. File format I want to change it. Enter file format to. I want to Excel spreadsheet format now. Now control A you can press it. You can send, you can click send it ma. Yes, you can press it. Nana kon water techima. See ma, automatically it is exported. See Excel format it is showing. See sales register ma. Our company name it is showing. Sales register for the May month. 1st May to 31st May. See day to particulars, voucher type, voucher number, GSTN number, quantity, rate, value, gross total sales, GST sales, SGST, CGST, IGST, all it is showing. No services also it is showing. Totals also it is showing. No. So like this ma, every report, how clearly it is showing no ma. This like every report, purchase report and all it is possible to exporting Tally to Excel ma. So all reports, any other reports also like this only we are doing ma. So you understood I think how to export reports Tally to Excel ma. Trial balance also same procedure we are following. You can open it, you can press export, automatically it is exporting. Next to every book ma, display more reports, so like this cash book, day book, account books. So cash and bank books. See every report it is possible to exporting like this ma. PDF format and Excel format. Now how to export GST reports Tally to Excel format ma. How to export GST reports Tally to Excel format ma. We will see, we will discuss this too. Display more reports. Display more reports. Now here already we are prepared all GST invoices no ma. All invoices we are prepared. See display more reports. You can go to GST reports. We want to GSTR1. We want to export a GSTR1. You can open it. Period ma. I want to export that May month details. May month GSTR1 file I want to export to Excel format ma. Enter ma. See our file it is opening ma. Opened. Now you can press here export button, all text. GSTR1 report I am exporting Tally to Excel. Export. Now here e-return you want to select it ma. E-return. Here format it is asking. GST reports it is possible to exporting 2 ways, Excel or JSON file. Now I am selected Excel. Folder path, by default folder path it is showing C:, program files, Tally frame. In this folder only I want to save this one. If you want to change, it is possible to change it ma. Enter, you can save it, that's all. Now we can press the send button. Automatically our GSTR1 report it is so exported to Excel format. So now I am going to open this Excel format. See here Excel in a sheet bar, so many sheets we are having. See you can click here, see sheets we have. So first of all, how to file, help instructions they are mentioned. Next to B2B, regular dealer to regular dealer, how much we sold. See 2 sales we done. Regular dealer to regular dealer, invoice number, invoice date, amount, that and all it is showing. B2C large, B2C small. See how many entries we done. Depending on that, it is showing a values. See debit note also we have. So like this, I am clicking a sheets wise here. So adjustment entries. See here exempted goods, HSNY summary. See clearly it is showing what we done in a tally. That all sheet wise it is showing. Separate sheets we are having. How many documents we have. Like this it is showing. You can save it this one. So it is helping to this sheet we are using and it is help to filing a GST returns.